This is the most. We've been fishing here for hours and we haven't caught a fish yet. And I'm giving us like 10 more minutes.
No, I have fish.
Oh, they're trying. It's been a little sad. We're trying to do two different kinds of fishing. Was it? Okay, keep on going. I'm kind of in this mood where I'm thinking we don't give up until we catch a fish. But the sun is down, so it's gotta happen soon. I made a silly promise that we would catch a fish today. And that's because I thought for sure we were going to catch a fish. In Minnesota, we catch a fish every day. We're going to keep on trying though. It still might happen. We're not giving up. My husband's over here though, and he's ready to go home, but he's being very patient. But I'm not sure if you can disagree that Montana is just gorgeous. Look at this view. You see there's a fish way out there. You can kind of see it's kind of playing. Right there. See that ripple? Oh, sorry. There's the fish. This thing's gonna try to get that guy. See, there's these really little fish. So there's this super little fish. And I've decided I'm gonna try to get this really little fish right here. Because in Minnesota, when we catch sunnies, which I don't think there are sunnies here. When we catch sunnies, we use little bobbers. But I'm starting to see that Montana is a whole other fishing game. So I'm going to let you enjoy this moment with us, with my family and I. And if you've never been to Montana, I suggest coming because it is just one of the most beautiful places in the world. I do know there's fish in here because I've been seeing them. My friend's gonna go fish somewhere else. So I guess I'm gonna have to see if I can see and catch something later. If I catch something before it gets really dark, I'll make sure to get on camera for you. There's a train over there, so you can hear some train. There's some beautiful birds flying around. And just look at these trees. Sometimes I just like imagine what's inside these trees, you know, like owls, moose. I'm sure it's just gorgeous. Okay, see, there's a ripple out there. Big eye. Some sort of wild food kind. Yeah, this friend over here has been catching some fish. He's looks like he knows what he's doing though. Montana fishing. We'll figure it out by the end of our trip. We have a few more days. Oh yeah, another ripple. Alright, if you are from Montana and you have any ideas for us and the best ways for us to fish, we're not gonna get to fly fishing this trip. But if you have any ideas for bobber fishing for us, because my son is 6 years old, that would be amazing. Leave it in the comments. I'll take anything. He is obsessed with fishing, and I'm gonna feel really sad. I'll feel really sad if we don't catch him anything this trip. I think he'll feel worse. Oh, have no fear. There's a little turtle head. At least we get to see a cool turtle head. I think that's a turtle head. Yeah, it's gotta be. Another ripple for here. So some of these ripples could be turtles, I suppose. There's a lot of turtles in this lake. Oh, oh yeah, my son's way over there. He's still trying. He's not giving up. Hope he needs me. I'll come back later, hoping by the time we leave tonight, we get at least one fish. We'll see. Try it right there. Do exactly what you just did.
Why? Okay.
Can I try one?
I'm holding on to the rock.
Alright, we got skunked. No fish this time. But we will catch a fish tomorrow. I guarantee it. Good night.